Hi, I'm Heather with Heather Lang Homes, and I'm here to give you some tips for August on how you can prune and get your garden ready for new midsummer planting so that you can have vegetables for winter harvest, fall and winter harvest. So I'm out here in my garden, and this is a good time in Northern California to be thinking about your tomatoes may be coming towards the end of their life. So as they are finishing up, you can be planting broccoli, cauliflower, herbs that are really great that continue going on into the fall harvest season. Basil, and I've got some basil right here that the way I keep my basil going into the fall is by pinching the tip of the basil so that the flower is gone and it gets the leaves to continue to produce into the fall season. So that's something that you can do if it's already in your garden. Otherwise, planting basil now, it will grow and it will be there for you in the fall. Also great other things to plant: beets, carrots, and also lettuce and chard. These are all great things, so enjoy the rest of your summer, and again, get it ready to produce for you this coming fall season. I'm Heather with Heather Lang Homes, and I'm here again with your garden tips for midsummer season. Hope you have a good rest of your August.